Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel sambar at your home for idli, dosa, uttapam, pongal and even for the plain rice. So let's start the recipe. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel sambar at your home for idli, dosa, uttapam, any South Indian dish. So for this, here I added 2 tablespoons of oil. In this, I added some mustard seeds and I'm going to add some fenugreek seed, that is the methi, which gives a nice taste in this sambar. I'm making the instant sambar, guys, so this is a very easy recipe. And in this I'm going to add this chopped veggies. You can add any veggies, but here I'm adding this vendeka, that is the lady's finger, and I'm going to fry this one for 2 to 3 minutes. In this, I'm going to add some haldi powder, that is the turmeric powder. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, which gives a nice color in the hotel sambar. And I'm going to mix all these things together. So after adding 2 cups of water, here I am adding some salt, up to your taste, how much salt you want in your hotel sambar. And I'm going to mix all these things, and after that I will add some sambar powder. So this is the homemade sambar powder, guys. So here I took 2 tablespoons of sambar powder, and I'm going to add this sambar powder after mixing all these things. And I'm going to add this sambar powder into this. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So it will take 5 to 8 minutes. After that, we have to add the tamarind water and the tuar dal for the sambar. So can you see the color, guys? So this is the perfect color for sambar. And it's time to add the tamarind water into this. So I soaked the tamarind. So I will show you. So we have to take this much of tamarind and we have to soak it in the water, and we have to add that water. If you don't have the tamarind, you can add the amchur powder also, which gives a nice taste. But tamarind is the must in all the South Indian dishes. And this is, so we have to boil this sambar for 5 minutes. After that, we have to add this cooked tuar dal. So I took half a cup of dal and 1 cup of water, and I pressure cook this one for 4 whistles, and this is nicely done. Can you see? So yeah, so it will take 5 minutes. So this is done, guys, and it's time to add this cooked tuar dal. And after adding the cooked tuar dal, we have to cook the sambar for 2 to 3 minutes, and in the end we have to add the hing powder and some fresh curry leaves, which gives a nice taste in the hotel sambar. So here I am adding the fresh curry leaves, which gives a nice taste in the hotel sambar. So the sambar is ready, guys, and if you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee in the top of the sambar. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make a hotel sambar at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And today's menu. Here is the rice. Here is pollanga kai, the snake gourd kai. Here is the hotel sambar. And here is the salad. And here is the paruppu, which is must in South Indian food. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.